Okay, we're moving on to the last part of that little sheet I gave you. It's about finding the area of a triangle. And the way that that's going to work is we need to know what sort of information we're given. So let's take a look at the three options that you're going to see. The three options that you're going to see are first, you're given a side, an angle, and a side. Or you're given three sides, or you're given an angle, side, angle. Depending on which one of the three that you're given, that's the formula you follow. So let's take a look at our first example. Find the area of triangle ABC. So let's go ahead and draw it. Triangle ABC. A, B, C. And it's got angle A is 24 degrees. Side B is 27, so across from B, we got B is 27, and we got angle C is 52 degrees. So in this case, what we're given is we're given an angle, a side, and an angle. So we're going to use this formula. And the way you're going to figure out which one to use is which side are we given? We're given side B. So if you look up here where we're given side B, it's B squared sine A sine C over 2 sine B. And if you look here, the one thing we're missing is we're missing angle B. So the first thing we're going to do is find angle B. We're going to do that by 180 degrees minus the sum of the two angles we have, 24 plus 52. And we're going to find out that angle B is 102 degrees. So we know that that's 102 degrees. So now to figure out the area of the triangle, we're going to use the middle one, B squared sine A sine C over 2 sine B. So what we are going to do on that one is plug in what we know and then pick up the calculator. So B is 27, so it's 27 squared, sine 24 degrees, sine 52 degrees, all over sine 102 degrees. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to grab ourselves our calculator. We're going to go alpha y equals, again, that gets us our fractions. So alpha y equals, enter. And then what we're going to do is just put in that expression, 27 squared sine 24, close the parentheses, sine 52, close parentheses, arrow down, 2 sine 102, close parentheses. And we're going to get 119.437. So the area of this triangle is 119.437. So it's, again, substitution calculator exercise. So now, next one we're going to look at, see what they give us. Find the area of triangle ABC with side lengths 12, 18, and 26. So again, we got A, we got B, we got C. And again, it doesn't matter which way you label them. I'm just going to go in alphabetical order. So ABC. So that tells me A is 12. That tells me B is 18. And that tells me C is 26. So in this case, we've got a side, side, side. Side, side, side. There's two formulas you got to do. First thing you got to do is figure out the perimeter of the triangle. And the way you figure out the perimeter of the triangle is you are going to just add up the sides. So what it's going to be, the perimeter is 1/2. It's going to, the S that we're looking for is 1/2 the perimeter. So it's 1/2 of 12 plus 18 plus 26. So this is going to tell us that this S value that we're going to use is 28. And then we're going to use the formula area equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So area is going to equal 28 times 28 minus 12 times 28 minus 18 times 28 minus 26, 26. Again, right to the calculator. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the square root, 28, parentheses, 28 minus 12, 28 minus 16, or 18, sorry, and 28 minus 26. We hit enter, and that's going to give us 94.657. So the area of this triangle is 94.657. And then the last way that we can do it, again, is figuring out what we have. So we got ourselves a triangle again, A, B, C. but in this case, B is 124.5 degrees. Side A is equal to 30.4. Side C is equal to 28.4. So in this case, what we have is we have a side angle side. Side angle side says we're going to go ahead and look and see what sides were given. The sides were given are A and C and angle B, A and C and angle B. So our area is going to equal 1/2 AC sine B. So our area is going to be 1/2 30.4 times 28.4 times sine of 124.5. And then what we're going to do, again, right back to the calculator, we're going to do 0.5, which is 1/2 times 30.4 times 28.4 times sine of 124.5. Hit enter. And it's going to tell us that the area there is 355.759. So our area is equal to 355.759. So that was a quick way to kind of go through it. But what you're really basically doing is drawing the triangle, figuring out which of the three formats we have. Do we have side, 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 angle, or side, angle, side? Pick the appropriate formula, plug in the numbers we got in the calculator, get us our answer for the area. So hopefully that's relatively straightforward in terms of it. And then what we did in class is we kind of practiced our way through it. And my recommendation was I wanted you to practice starting with the odd ones and then kind of going back through the even ones when you were done. So, okay, please let me know if you have any questions, but that's it.